Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your IP address in Facebook Messenger calls. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your device and direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll notice a menu icon there, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear symbol. Go ahead and click on this menu icon to access your Messenger settings and options. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of different options available. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can customize various aspects of your Messenger experience, including privacy controls and account preferences. Next, within the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the privacy and safety section. This is where Messenger keeps all the important security and privacy features that help protect your personal information during conversations and calls. Click on privacy and safety to proceed. Now, inside the privacy and safety menu, scroll through the available options until you find protect IP address in calls. This feature is specifically designed to add an extra layer of privacy during your voice and video calls by masking your actual IP address from the person you're communicating with. Click on Protect IP address in calls to access this setting. Once you click on it, you'll see a toggle button right beside the Protect IP address in calls option. This toggle is what controls whether the feature is active or not. By default, it might be turned off, which means your IP address is visible during calls. To enable this privacy feature, simply click on the toggle button. When you do this, the toggle will switch to the on position, usually indicated by a change in color or position. This immediately activates the IP protection, ensuring that your actual IP address remains hidden during all future Messenger calls. This helps protect your location privacy and adds an additional security measure to your communications. And that's it. You've successfully enabled IP address protection for your Facebook Messenger calls, giving you enhanced privacy during your voice and video conversations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.